Hey guys, it's Mufaddal and welcome back to the Speedex Tools YouTube page. Right behind me, this Speedex store has been standing over here for over 35 years, and in 2026 we've renovated it into this beautiful looking store with this beautiful facade. I don't think any other store in Deira has a facade that looks like this. We've just renovated it, so I want to come and take you inside and show you what we made this store and how we designed it to make it as best as possible for the customer to come and get what they need. Let's go inside and I'll show you what we have. So for the longest times, this store was only one floor. But now in a renovation, we recently opened up the second floor as well. So we have more space to give more products. We want to give you a lot of options to come and buy from all different brands. We can increase our product range. I mean, better for us and of course, much better for you. All you need in one roof. Let me show you what we have on our first floor and then we'll move on to second. So as soon as you enter, we have a huge wall of just Yato power tools. Yato is our bread and butter. Speedex and Yato have been together for over 15 years and our partnership is only growing. Let's see what we have. We've been pushing a lot of people to invest in codeless power tools. It's so much easier for everybody. We have tool only and battery sets. So if you already have a few batteries at home, you can just buy the tool, you can save money. But investing in a battery is so good because you can buy one battery, two batteries, and it will fit for all the power tools that you need. So you just switch it out and when you need it, you're done. But of course, if you like to go the more old-fashioned route, we do have the corded power tools as well. It's the same power, it's the same power tool. The only difference is the corded and the cordeless. The option is there for whatever you need. Now, on this side, we have over here our VDE insulated hand tools. I don't think many people know what the true meaning of VDE is. I'll give you a second, think about it, keep it in the comments below. Okay, VDE means Verbach de Elektrotechnik. It's a German word, whatever that means, but that's the true meaning of VDE. All of these tools can handle up to 1000 volts of electricity and you can work on live power lines using these tools. You'll be completely safe. Of course, the range is there, the grip is there, that's just how Speedex is. And you can tell it's VDE and insulated if they have this red and yellow colorway. Let's move on. So here, as you can see, chainsaws. Who wouldn't want a nice fun chainsaw from Makita? Husqvarna is also a special niche brand that we've gotten. A lot of people have been asking us for it and we've seen the demand. So of course, we listen to our customers and we get it. We're moving on. This is where the hand tools stored, especially in Yato. We have our caulking guns and our pneumatic tools. The wire for the pneumatic tools is upstairs. I'll show you that later. So pneumatic tools is very powerful. You can get a lot of power in just one boom, boom, boom. Pneumatic tools are the best, but of course they come with a huge line like this right here and a huge generator to go with it. So it depends on very special use cases like for garages, etc., etc. You know it when you need it. Let's move on. Let's show you Makita. This is our Makita wall. Makita, everyone knows Makita. It's Makita. So we have to house Makita. We have the corded and the cordless Makita power tools. I mean, what else to say? From angle grinders to blowers and drills, we have it. And we even have the table saws and the miter saws, whatever you need. Let's move on. So if I stood here and talked to you about each and every hand tool that we own, this video will be hours long. So we're gonna try something. Let's see all the categories that I can name. Rapid fire, no cuts, no retakes. Let's see what I can get, okay? Come on, let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I close my eyes so I don't cheat. Again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait. I'll do it again. 3, 2, 1. Spanners, ratchets, hand saws, box cutters, measuring equipment, levels, screwdrivers, combination pliers, bent nose pliers, long nose pliers, storage solutions, storage boxes, tool trolleys. What else do we have? I can open my eyes now. Did I miss anything? Did I say levels? I think we have levels. Hand saws, box cutters. I mean, we have the utility knives. Pipe cutters. I think I did say it. PPE. How could I forget PPE? PPE is one of the most important. Safety from gloves, latex gloves and glasses. That's very important. This is Storex. The Storex screwdriver is one of the most famous screwdrivers in the Dubai market. People come and buy just this one of these pieces, and they order huge quantities. It's a testament to the beautiful quality of Storex. A lot of people like this grip as well. This grip really fits in your hand, and a lot of people like it. That's one of the main USPs of our Storex screwdrivers, and only Speedex will sell Storex. If you see anyone else in the UAE selling Storex, it either came from us or it's not real. Of course, Storex is there focusing on hand tools, and of course Stanley. Stanley hand tools is really high quality. They're known for their hand tools from their Fat Max line to the normal categories as well. This, come here, I forgot about this. Adjustable torque. This is a big boy right here. We have the socket over here with a ratchet handle and the adjustable torque right here. You can change it. Perfect for garages and anyone that deals with sockets on a daily basis. This is a really good investment, and they're very heavy as well. So that just shows you it's good quality, and of course the different sizes as well. Let me see, did I miss anything from this floor? I mean, over there we have the power tool drill bits, accessories from the grinders and the power drills. Let me look around. Did I miss anything big? Bolt cutter. That's there. Stylish hoodies from Yato. Tell me I don't look cool right now. Tell me it doesn't look fire. Yato hoodie. We have this in grey as well. Where's the grey one? Right here. This one I personally own and I personally wear in my fashion. I know many people don't like my fashion choices, but for this, I got a lot of compliments. I wore it in uni and college. Everyone loves this, but maybe I should pick up the black one as well. Let me keep it on hold. Wait, let me hide it so it shows that I put it on hold, you know. Okay, now it's on hold, so no one else buys it, so I can take it for myself. What else do we have? This is also really cool. This is a high-vis jacket. It has everything. It has the hoodie. Inside, it's insulated for to capture heat. I think that's the right word for it. But this is very cool, especially someone that works in the construction site every single day. And of course, now Dubai winter is like 4 months long. And if you live in Dubai, even our winter is cold. 15 degrees, 10 degrees is very cold. Especially as you live in Dubai, you grew up in the heat. So this is needed. I was thinking of taking it for myself also. But let's see, I don't want to just increase my cupboard for no reason. And behind over there, Yato safety shoes, stylish shoes, fiberglass and steel toe, steel cap, different designs, very comfortable. Which one do I own? Yes, this is the one that I use. Nice and simple and black. Protects you whenever I go to my site or any construction projects that we have for symbolic. This is what you wear. Now, that's all I did. Everything else, first floor, lights, normal, simple stuff. I mean, everyone should have it. I don't know if everyone does have it. I know Speedex has it, but that's the simple stuff. Vessel and Nipex, these are both industrial rated and industrial quality tools, but a lot of people collect these tools for hobbyists and DIY, especially Vessel. Vessel is a Japanese imported brand, and Nipex is a German brand. Nipex has been alive for 100 years, over 100 years, and we've just recently started a partnership with Nipex and Vessel, and we've seen a lot of demand and growth, especially in our Deira store and our other retail stores as well. You should really check these brands out. You'll love them. Let's go upstairs now, second floor. Let's go up and see what we have. So now, one thing I want to tell you about my Deira store, this Deira store, is the legacy. This is, like I said in the start of the video, this is the exact store that my grandfather started, and this is my longest standing store for over 35 years. Just come and see these photos. This right here is my grandfather. This is the exact store that you're sitting in before renovation. My grandfather, even my uncle is here somewhere when he was young. Just seeing these photos makes me nostalgic. It makes me see what my grandfather has done for us and how he's built Speedex from one store into a conglomerate that not only has Speedex store 5 locations across the UAE, soon to be 6, but across different businesses as well, from Uns Farms and Symbolic. Come here, I'll show you all these other stores that we have. This is our old previous stores all across UAE. Some are still standing. This is our store that we're standing in right now. Photo from 2010. Of course, it was made before that. But now, let's skip this nostalgia. Let's move upstairs. Now, as soon as you come up, of course, it's a lot more Yato. That's Speedex. But we have over here our garage equipment, core accessories. Many people come to Speedex for a new garage idea business, and they set up their whole garage just from us. Like, we have the specifics and the general stuff. Specifics, like we have the general stuff like shop cranes to hold your engines and wheels, oil funnels right here. There's this stool over here to work on cars, move around with storage, engine oil, engine caps. What is it called? A jump starter. This is so you can roll down the car, work on the underside of the car. People set up their whole garage just with us, and we have seen photos of huge Yato branded garages, and we love to see that. This is a workshop that you can custom create to fit your home wherever. Custom workshop. Now, of course, tool bags. I was thinking of using this as my bag for college. What do you guys think? Does it look stylish? It's so nice. We have these different brands, these different bags that you can fit so many different pockets. I love that. There's so many different pockets. You can fit your different screwdrivers, fit in that pocket, fit this, fit that, fit that. I love these bags because of the amount of pockets. Organization, especially as a busy man, you just want to take your tool out, put it back in the right place, you know, wherever it is. And of course, tools can get expensive. You don't want to be losing stuff, and you want to be taking care of it. Let's move on. Some more wrenches, different types of wrenches, ratchet wrenches. And over here, we have some different brands as well, like Vorel and Sench. These are brands that we've seen some demand for, and we've been asked for it, so we've included them in our store as well. What else do we have? Tactics storage, tactic toolboxes. These are very cool. Simple, different designs that you can use. Look at this one. This one has so many different pockets on top. You can do, I don't know, the world, what's the saying? Your mind is your imagination. The world is your imagination. Something like that. You can think whatever you need and use these boxes for it. They're versatile and they're malleable in terms of functionality. Now, what else is there? Some more toolboxes, some more storage, tool trolleys as well. These are our office cabins. And some more accessories. I think that's about, we've covered the whole basic idea and layout of this new Deira showroom. And I wish I could have talked about each and every product, because each and everything, this one thing I can talk to you about maybe 10-15 minutes just about this. If I talk to you about over 5,000 products in this store, I'm telling you, hours and hours long. If you want me to talk about that, keep in the comments below, and I'll upload my documentary, my 15-hour documentary about just this store alone. This is our legacy. Speedex Deira is our legacy. This showroom is our legacy. And from this, we've expanded into Quoz, VIP, Ajman, Khaimah. Now, inshallah, we'll be opening soon in... You will see soon. Covering over 100,000 square foot of retail space across the UAE, soon to be 1 million, soon to be 10 million. Follow along on this journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned. For every Saturday, we'll be uploading a new video for you. Stay tuned for more details. Like and subscribe. Show some love. Thank you. This is Mufaddal signing out.